Welcome to Jewel Vision 3D. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can change the background, and if you want to add any images or videos you can add it, and you can make your designs more effectively and high quality. So let's begin. On the left side of the panel you have option as a background. So once you choose the background, you have options to select the color such as black, white, gray. If you want a specific color for your background, you can change that also. If you want to choose any file, you can choose it from here. I'm choosing this file. So let's choose. As you can see, the background has been changed, and this way you can make the background change. It is quite easy. And if you want to download this image, so on this left side of the panel you have option as export the video and export the image. Let's export the image first. So you have options to choose the format and which format you want to download and the quality that you want to download, like 1K to 4K, and you can select the frame size and the DPI as well as. So if you choose the all image, so the all image will be downloaded such as front, back, right, left, 3D, top, bottom. If you choose particular such as back, so the back side of the image will be downloaded. And if you choose the current image, so the current will be downloaded. So let's download the image and let's see. As you can see, the image has been downloaded. So in this way you can download the image you want. If you want to download a video, it is quite simple. Select the speed of the rotations that you want. I'm choosing the 2. If you choose 3, it will rotate very fast. And choose the format and which format you want to download. If you want to rotate your design, you can use clockwise or anti-clockwise. And let's rotate. And if you want to change the color of your ring, you can select the metal and you can change the color. You have to be a little bit fast, but in the speed of the 3 it is not possible. You have to choose 2 and start recording, and you can change the color you want. If you want to change the diamond color, you can change that also. As you can see now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for the next notification video. If you have any query, you can write down on the comment. On the next video, we are going to solve each and every problems.